The unique opportunities that I've been able to see by participating in UCON are the opportunities to interact with other airlines, to see how they have used the system in their efficiencies, training opportunities as well, to help their airlines grow, and how it can be presented with our airline as well, to not have to encounter those same hurdles that they've encountered, and also to help each other to grow as airlines.
You really get just a lot of great ideas. You come here with an open mind, listen to what people in other industries or other segments of the industry are doing, and then you think, well, how could I take advantage of that at my own company? Does that make sense? And does that make us more efficient and more productive and provide a better product in the long run?
It's such a great, unique opportunity really to network with the other customers and to have all of the subject matter experts here. So the kiosk sessions allow you to walk up to people that you maybe have only emailed with or FaceTimed with. You actually get to see them, shake their hand, and ask really unique questions about new features that you guys roll out that we get to hear about first.
So UCON is very significant for our customers because as a customer relationship manager, it's really good to have that face-to-face time with our customers. And also they get to learn from our entire Mint team as well as other customers.
Specifically, UCON is a way for them to share their creativity, to share their ideas, to share their concerns as well, for us to listen to them, because a lot of our new features have been just customizations that customers have needed, that have now transformed our system to become so powerful. And it is what it is today because other customers have needed it, and it allows us to listen to the customers. I think it's extremely important.
The reason why we're doing UCON is because customers actually asked for it. And starting in 2009, we created a format that allowed Mint to present our innovations and allowed the customers to exchange and share their best practices and their experiences with the Mint system with other customers. And that allowed them to network and to connect to each other.
We are interested to go and have a good, solid value chain, not just value chain in terms of making things happen, but driving value in human capital. It's so important that we have these events face-to-face, and that's why we believe it's a pivotal investment that we make besides technology, that we're going to invest in our own people and our customers, because we don't consider them as just clients and customers. We want them to be partners. Yes, they see that Mint has areas to improve on, but they also know that we're going to take definite steps towards improvement and that they had a say and a contribution to make. And that's why we created UCON.